Yeah, YouTube, back with your boy, back with another one, trying to steady dig into it, trying to get thing accomplished, one day at a time, though, trying to get this thing popping. I can't wait to have this boy out where I can do some donuts in it. You know what I'm saying? So I bet we all in the same boat that's doing the swap right now. We'll wish we could have the motor just do like that, and the motor be in there, and you can go out and do what you want to do with it, right? It's gonna come though. It's just gonna come one day at a time. But anyway, my last vid I was saying I was gonna cut y'all back on once I got a little bit more further into it. So I got a little bit more further into it though. You see all that I cleaned up real good on that frame. The upper control arm still ain't done. Still got to do a little bit more. The cradle got a little bit more done on that, and started back on this side over here. But it's coming along just little by little. It's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. But as far as the motor go, and I did a lot of cleaning on it. I didn't take too much more apart, but I got a few more things done to it. I just cleaned it up a little bit better than how it was. So one step at a time, y'all. Show y'all what I did. Move this old pair of jeans leg out the way. Using this as a cleanup towel just to get all this grease off this motor. But anyway, what did I do with my flashlight? Bought a new flashlight, y'all. Got me a new Harbor Freight flashlight. Yeah, that motherfucker bright as hell. Definitely helped me out a lot inside here. It's coming along. It's cleaned up. The top end anyway. This probably was the hardest part. Now I'm about to. These valve covers are loose. I just set them down on there just for a minute because I had to move the motor, slide it over, push it over this way a little bit. Cause guess what? I done finally got me an engine stand, y'all. Got me a nice engine stand. I've been hunting one down. I didn't want to buy a used one because the price I seen a few people selling them for, might as well just buy a brand new one, right? Pittsburgh brand from Harbor Freight, the 1 ton. They say it's supposed to be the new setup for this 1 ton. Let me show you. 1 ton. So I'm about to put that together so I can get this boy on it. So I can get it up in the air because I need to drain the oil. I could have did a few things by using that hoist, but the engine stand is a lot better to use because I can flip the motor around. I ain't got to set it back down, pick it up, set it back down. I don't want that. So I had to get me a stand. So I finally got one, so I'm going to put it to use. But project is coming along, just taking a little bit more time. I'm not in that much of a rush anyway. I'm doing this. I'm not paying the shop to do it where I got to be rushing and fishing around parts and trying to hurry up and give it to them because they trying to get 2 more cars in the shop. So I can take my time and do what I'm doing and finger out everything. Finger out what I mean is touching and going and doing what I need to do to get things done. You feel me? So anyway, holla at y'all boy, holla at your boy later.